He's gutting him like a fish! Oh, ow, my ears! Dang, Mom, you could've gave me a warning.
Sorry, honey. It was an automatic reaction.
Guys, I think Billy fainted.
Who cares about Billy? I'm calling the cops. That freak with the chainsaw knows where we live now. Timmy, you and your friend go hide the neighbor's body in the basement. We don't need the cops showing up thinking we had something to do with it. And then our neighbor walked in and the freak started gutting him with the chainsaw.
Oh no! Hold up! Did you scream like a girl?
Is that really important?
To me it is, Big Chin! So answer the question or I'm taking you downtown!
Okay, yeah, I screamed like a girl.
I knew it!
Officer, is there anything you can do to help us?
He's back!
Oh no! Oh no! Shut up!
Wait, I don't hear the chainsaw anymore. Did he go away? Maybe.
Maybe his mom called him to come home for dinner. Maybe he didn't want dinner.
Okay, everyone calm down. I'm Officer Bubba, so everything will be okay. You put that weapon down!
Let's go, Officer Bubba!
What the hell? Honey, go fight him.
Me? Okay.
Let's go, Papa Big Chin!
Oh.
Papa Big Chin!
My face!
Will you quit complaining about your Big Chin face and get up? Yeah, get up, Big Chin.
Why don't you go do something, Big Mouth?
You know what? I will.
Timmy, I don't think that's a good idea.
Mom, they don't call me Mr. Miyagi for nothing. Karate chop that freak, Timmy! Looks like your baby chainsaw doesn't work anymore. Oh, crap! That's what I'm talking about, Timmy! Time to say goodbye, freak!
Brutality.
Sorry.
Timmy!
I knew that was gonna happen to you.
You be quiet!
Get away from me!
Dang, bruh!
Yeah, that's why you throw like a girl, Big Chin.
Next time I'm sleeping, don't crawl on my face!
Dad, don't be mad at Cheeto. He was just trying to cuddle.
Yeah, Big Ginormous Chin. I just wanted to cuddle.
Do I look like someone who wants to cuddle with a diseased, mutated, rabies-infested rat?
Yeah, you do.
Just leave me alone.
Hey, Dad, look at me. Do I remind you of anyone?
Don't remind me. What are you doing?
Timmy, you're gonna hurt your dad by accident, so can you please stop?
Fine.
Tearing out the stitches of a deep-seated scar. Sky is turning gray. Living in a world of
Shut your mouth, SpongeBob! And I'm gonna see you in hell! Ah!
Dad! Mom!
That's what you get for taking my knife.
Oh no, bro!
Now hold on. I'm on the floor. This isn't a fair fight.
No!
Oh my gosh! What the hell? Stop in the name of cheese! Yeah! Cheeto! Cheeto! Mikey!
Billy said Mikey rise!
Yeah, I heard. The whole neighborhood heard, you troll.
Yeah, you son of a bushka. Mikey, get him!
Aw, here he goes!
Damn! Honey, you're awake.
Good job, Mikey. Weasel.
He picked up his chainsaw!
Holy bushka!
Oh, cover your eyes, Timmy. Don't watch.
Oh, I'm watching!
Thanks, Mikey. Even for me, that's one scary son of a bushka. What's up, old friend? Well, goodbye to you too.
Is he dead? Yeah, he dead. Look at this meatball!
Well, looks like Mikey saved the day. My knife!
Okay, everyone freeze! It's you!
Not again.
He's getting away!
Timmy, go drag that body and put it in the basement.
What the hell?
He's gone.
Living in a world of Western art, tearing out the stitches of a deep-seated scar. Sky is turning red, sun is turning red.
6-7. 6-7.
Will you stop saying 6'7"? Timmy, can you stop? You know your dad hates that number.
Fine.
Good, now I can watch the news.
Breaking news. A pony at the local zoo claimed the lives of 6 or 7 people. 6-7.
If I hear 6'7" one more time. Private number. Hello?
Papa Big Chin?
Who is this?
It's me, 6-7.
I'm gonna go get the milk.
Make sure you're back in 6 or 7 minutes. Dale. Oh, Dale. Daylight come and we want to go home.
You wanna go home? I can bring you back to the adoption center.
Day. Me say day,
What the hell?
me say day, me say day.
Daylight come and we want to go home.
Work all night on a drink of rum.
Daylight come and we want to go home.
Stack banana till the morning come.
Daylight come and we want to go home.
I'll be in the bathroom. Why do I gotta wake up to people singing?
Come, Mr. Jellyman, telling me banana. Daylight come and me want to go home.
You son of a booster!
You okay? I'm fine.
Come, Mr. Tellyman. Telling me banana.
No. How are we related? Do you have to do that in front of me?
Yeah, do we have a problem?
Weirdo. What the hell? Sounds like Billy.
Maybe Gonzo is spanking him again.
Who are you? Oh! Run, Billy, run!
Why do you run like that?
I don't know, maybe it's my shoes?
Baby shoes. And why would you screaming?
I think there's a ghost in my room.
What a Fruit Loop. There isn't a ghost in the basement.
Then go look, Big Chin.
Fine, I'll just take a peek. I'm staying right here. I don't see anything.
Well, take a closer look, Big Chin.
You damn rat! What the hell? Ah! Hey!
So, what's your name?
My name is Justin.
Justin. Nice. Why were you hiding in the bushes?
Oh, I was hiding from the cops.
And where do you live?
I live in the streets.
What the?
Hey, yo, what's up, my boy?
Who the hell is that?
More like, who the hell are you?
This is Justin. I found him in the bushes.
I'll be in the bathroom.
Alright, peace, bruh. Your dad got a big chin.
Yeah, he's known for that.
Ahoy, villagers! Who is that?
This is Justin. He was in the bushes.
Oh, okay.
I'll be back. I'm gonna go get some snacks.
Hello, I'm Billy, and I like cheese. Shut up! Oh!
Like a garage shop, like a garage shop. What's happening?
Time for me to go, bro.
Why does Timmy gotta pick up strangers from the street? Sorry, the bathroom's occupied. What the? I locked the door. What the hell? What are you doing in here? Oh!
Dad must have ate Taco Bell again.
Honey? One last chance. Where's the cheese?
I don't know.
That's it. You recording, right?
Yeah, like you told me to.
Good. Now, Weasel, get ready for this whooping.
Oh, snap. It's Big Lip Bat Boy.
You okay, Billy?
Yeah, I think so. I think one of my lungs popped. What the hell?
Your crime days are over, Joker!
I'm gonna whoop you until my arms fall off. Oh! You just threw a fork at me.
Yup! And I got a car battery, too.
Finish him!
You okay, Dad?
I'm vengeance. Will you quit burping? Making music while burping. Who does that?
You're just jealous.
Yeah, that's it. I'm jealous of you making music while burping. What a moron.
How dare you! Hadouken! Yeah!
My floor! Mop that up now!
Oh!
That's it. I can't take this anymore. I'm getting rid of that piano.
You get away from my piano!
Timmy,
Yes, Mother?
one of your friends from school came to visit.
What friend? Hello, Timberly.
It called you Timberly.
You son of a nerd!
Well, have fun, you guys.
What do you want, Marvin? Remember that pencil I lent you on Friday? You never gave it back! You came all the way to my house to get your pencil back? Yeah. My grandma that passed away 2 days ago gave me that pencil. Well, too bad. I don't have it anymore. I'm gonna turn off your PlayStation. You ruined my game. That's why you don't mess with me, Timberly. So I guess today's the day you chose death.
Ahoy, villagers! Oh!
Sayonara, nerd.
Brutality.
My glasses. Where are my glasses? You talking about these? Give them back in the name of education!
Finish him!
This is Sparta!
Fatality.
Is Timmy here?
He already left for school.
Good. Now I can enjoy my day off from work.
Well, I gotta go to work. Later.
Well, sucks to be you. I mean, sucks to be me.
Yeah, it does.
What the? What the hell are you doing here? Why aren't you in school?
Yeah, tell him why.
Because I keep getting bullied in school.
Of course you do. Well, at least it's you here, not Timmy.
Timmy! Now watch this! Go, Timmy! Go, Timmy!
That's it! You're suspended, Jumbo Lips!
So, I don't care. I needed a vacation. What wise guy? I'm out, y'all. Peace. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, you are poor. 5, 6, look at my lips.
Why are you wearing a wig? And why are you home from school?
The school gave me a vacation.
What?
I got suspended from school for dancing.
Great! Just don't annoy me. I was watching TV peacefully.
I'm using the TV.
Is this supposed to be a scary game?
Yeah, super scary. But good thing Billy ain't here because he would have pooped his pants.
What is this game?
It's the new Resident Evil game. Duh.
Oh, I don't like the name of that game. Oh, nah, look at the TV.
Come on! Go ahead, Barbie. Do what you do.
Hello.
Quit screaming like a woman! There, even squirrels are braver than this weasel.
True that. Like when a squirrel runs in the middle of the road when a car's coming. Look!
Okay.
Let me go check what he's doing. Billy, don't try to be brave like a squirrel. Get out of the street.
We are dead.
Fatality.
Dancing. Dancing. We at the club dancing. May I help you?
What the hell are you doing?
I'm dancing in the club.
I can see that. I mean, what are you doing with that doll?
Mom told me to take care of this doll so I could learn how to be responsible.
I thought it'd be a good idea to teach him how to be responsible.
You do realize we're talking about Timmy here, right?
Don't look at me like that. What a wise guy.
I have a moron for a son.
Hadouken! My baby! I'm sorry, I just lost control.
You see? Is this being responsible? Throwing a baby at someone?
Honey, chill out. He's learning.
Yeah, chill out because I'm learning. Oh my gosh, look, Chewbacca, we're at the zoo. You want to see the animals? Come on. Okay, now Chewbacca, don't get too close to the animals. Look, Chewbacca, it's a sleeping weasel. Scary, huh? Look, Chewbacca, it's a horsey.
Ha ha ha! Funny. Not.
You're just jealous I'm a better parent than you.
Mom ordered Domino's pizza. It's in the kitchen.
Pizza? Hot, hot, hot! Yeah.
Oh, dang, that kid controlled.
Hello?
I'm gonna give you to the count of 3 to turn the TV back on.
1, 2, 3.
I'm done with you! I'm running away.
Your teacher sent me an email saying you didn't hand in your homework on Friday. Why?
Oh,
Oh, what?
well, I can explain.
Okay, go ahead. Explain why you have missing homework.
So it all started Thursday evening.
I hate to do this to you, Big Lips, but give me all your monies.
I don't have any money. But I do have the school homework.
School homework? Is it worth any money?
Oh, sure. Just put it up on eBay.
I'll sell it for $100. Thanks, Big Lips.
Someone help! Somebody robbed me for my homework!
That is the biggest lie I ever heard.
How dare you call me a liar! My missing homework!
Timmy, when your dad wakes up, give him this $300 that I owe him.
Oh, sure. I'll give it to him when he wakes up.
Thank you, honey. Now Mama Bear's gotta go to the supermarket to pick up her Oreos.
Take your time, girl. Why does he look like that when he sleeps? What the hell, bro?
What are you doing? Why'd you put your finger in my mouth?
That's not important.
Where the hell did you get that money?
I found it. Why, you want it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, I'll give it to you. But first, you gotta dance.
I knew there was a catch. Fine. Can I stop now? I've been dancing for an hour.
No, now drop it like it's hot.
No, I'm not gonna drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's what? Hi, honey. What's going on here? Timmy, did you give your father the $300 I told you to give him?
Yeah, I just gave it to him.
Give me the remote!
No, I'm using it first.
But I called dibs on the TV first!
So, your dibs don't count.
Let go!
Fine. You see what you did?
Look what I did! You did this!
Stop fighting. I can't take it anymore. What a Teletubby.
Billy, don't be sad. It's not our fault Papa Big Chin causes problems.
I cause problems? Okay, I'll show you more problems.
You want some of this? Let's go.
Oh!
That's it.
Billy, will you keep it down? I'm trying to study for college.
Since Papa Big Chin's taking a nap, I can use the TV.
আমার মামা আসবে খুব শীঘ্রই।
সব দায়িত্ব হে নিছে, ওদের পড়ালেখা, আমাদের সংসার চালানো।
তুই সেই দালাল, তুই সেই দালাল। তোর
এখানে আর থাম যাবে না, হালার ফালার আমার
ওই অটো ভাড়া কি তুই দিবি? আচ্ছা
ভাই ওই সাগরীয় হারামজাদাই কিন্তু চাকরি করে এক প্যাথোলজিতে, আর রোগী পেড়ায় আর এক প্যাথোলজি।
অ্যাম্বুলেন্স ঠিক করে দিয়া লাশ লই বাড়ি চলে যান।
আমার আর মাথা টাথা ঠিক নেই ভাই।
দালাল, তুই সেই দালাল।
কাম কাজ নাই। আপনার কামের অবস্থা কি? আমি এখন তো কিছু পাইনি।
আমনে পার নাই মোরা পাবলিক যত চালাকি হও আমাকে দ্বারে আইতে হইবে।
স্যার এই সিন্ডিকেট ভাঙতেই হইবে।
এই সিন্ডিকেট ভাঙতে হইলে সোর্স খোঁজো আগে। এই সোর্স এই
খবর কেমন চলে?
ভালো, আপনি কেমন আছেন?
এই তো ভালো ভালো।
আপনারা কেমন আছেন?
তারপর
কিভাবে খবর পায় ওরা আমরা আসার আগে? আগে সেইটা খোঁজো, নাইলে এই সিন্ডিকেট ধরা যাবে না। চলো সামনের দিকে চলো।
200 টাকা।
হ্যাঁ এটা তো দেখেই বুঝতেছি একদম সেম কেস। আমাদের রুগী যে বাস বসে এই হাসপাতালের সামনে ম্যাক্সিমামই কিন্তু ভাই দালাল। এক রোগ হইব আর পাঠাইবো আরেক ডাক্তারের কাছে। চল
একটু দাঁড়ান, আমাকে একটু লইয়ে যান। মোরা তো চিনি না, টাকা পয়সা আছে। মানে ওষুধ কিনতে টাকা লাগে না।
আর আমাদের যা হওয়ার তো আম্মা হয়েই গেছে। খারাপ
তোর কত বন্ধু বান্ধব সেখানে চাষ পাইনি,
তো কোনো কথা ছিল না।
এই হাসপাতালে কয়টা পিএইচডি করা ডাক্তার আছে তাতে সন্দেহ আছে। আমি যে পিএইচডি করা বাট পারে তো কোনো সন্দেহ না।
মনে হয় খেপে ব্যস্ত আছে।
হইতে পারে আশপাশে মনে হয় কোন জানি বুঝাইতে আছে। আমার কামান না দাদা, আমাকে ভুল আছে অনেক। এই যে লোকগুলো আমরা ঠিক করছি।
কথা কইছ না, যে যেরকম আছে থাক, কাম করতে থাকবে না।
দাদা এর মধ্যে আজকে আবার সমস্যা কদেই। কিছু নেশা ও তুই
করছে।
মা আমি সত্যিই জানি না কি হয়েছে, কেন শুলি এমন করছে।
তবু যাচ্ছি বহু দূরে পাশাপাশি।
জি স্যার।
ঠিক আছে। জোবারে সীমাই বলা হবে কিসের গল্প।
আমি আমার মেয়েকে খুব ভালো মতো জানি। আমার মেয়ে কোনো ভুল করতে পারে না। যদি কোনো ভুল করে থাকে নেই আমার হাতে।
এর উপর হাত রেখে এই জীবনটা কাটিয়ে দেয়া।
তুমি কি কখনো কাউকে বল
সবকিছু ঠিকঠাক তো তোমার?
ঠিকঠাক। তোমার?
তবে চলার পথে দুজনের সিদ্ধান্তকেই দুজনে গুরুত্ব দিতে হয়।
মেয়ে তো